Welcome to Mr. Giant Reacts and Ting and Ting and Ting. I'm Mr. Giant, back with another video for you, back with another reaction. And we're going to do some Kolo. We're going to do Borko, Radivo, Radivojevic, and Milica Pavlović. You understand what I'm saying? So we're going to do some vibes here and see what's going on here with this Kolo. Let's YouTube and simmer and check it out. Borko, let's go, Borko. There he is. There he is.
Još jedan aplauz za harmoniku broj 1. Borko Radivojevic!
Radivojevic, what you saying?
Izvoli Borko. Ulepšaj mi ovo već ako može još, a znam da može. I jao što lepo svira. Šta li si mi spremio, Borko? Ju, jel poznato? Čekaj pravo, 1, 2, 3 i... Jeste spremni da igrate? Nisam čula. Može malo brže. Beograde, niste spremni za ovo. Gosti, dobrodošli!
Oh, she's getting down. Getting down that team, boy. That was a quick little one, you know what I mean? The Kolo is such a happy type of a festive type of a thing. You know what I mean? And it's so graceful at times too, you know? And it seems like there's a whole lot of different Kolos for a whole different lot of situations. Like some would be like sort of a military type thing, some is a love thing, some is a drama thing, some is an everyday life, you know, down at the river, you know, washing thing. I mean, there's just so many Kolos and things going on out there, you know what I mean? It's like the dance is the spice of life there, you know what I mean? It sort of portrays life. So if you want to know life in that region, you just go watch their Kolo dance and their Kolo traditions. And the cool part about it is it's historical too, you know what I mean? So when you're watching it, you're watching ancestral vibes going on. Stories that's ancestral stories. That's kind of cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, drop a like on the video, comment down below, let me know what's going on and things. Drop a like on the video, or a hype, I should say, on the video. Let everybody know Mr. Giant is reacting to Serbian, Romanian, Croatian, Bosnian, Macedonian. I'm gonna have to slip in some Montenegrin and stuff in there too, man. Y'all take care of each other. Let's try to bring some love and peace into this world. More dance too.